Students, welcome to class 7, subject mathematics, chapter integers, and today's topic is exercise 1b of integers, and it's me MD Altaf Hussain. So let's see what is there in the exercise. So first we have to multiply, we have to multiply. So multiply minus 36 by minus 50. So what it will be its solution? Its solution will be minus 36 into minus 50. This way we have to write, and we know that minus and minus, if you multiply two negative integers, it will give always positive integer. So the plus sign, then you have to multiply 36 and 50. So 36 and 50, if you multiply, you will get 5 6 are 30, 5 3 are 15, 18. So this will be 1800. So the answer will be 1800 here. So next question is question number 2. Find each of the following products. Again we have to find the products. So the question number 6, that is minus 7 into minus 3 into 4. So here we have two negative integers and one positive integers. So first we will multiply these two negative integers. So this will give us, so we have to multiply minus 7 into minus 3. So we already know that two negative integers always gives us positive integers. So this will be 21 into 4, and 21 into 4 again we have to multiply. So 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Both are positive integers, so the answer will be a positive integer, that is 84. Now question number 3, find each of the following products. Now in the products you will see more numbers are there, more than 3 integers are there. So find each of the following products, each of the following products. So what we have to do here, we have to suppose the question is like this. Question number 2, minus 6 into minus 5 into minus 7 into minus 2 into minus 3. So what you will do, first you have to multiply first two negative integers. So we know that two negative integers multiplication will be a positive integers, that is 30. Now again we have to multiply the rest of the numbers, so we keep it as it is. So now again you multiply these two positive and negative integers. So this will give you 210, but the sign will be minus. Again multiply whatever is there, just keep it. Now multiply this two integers which are negative, and both negative, so that's why it will be positive. So 2 0 0, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, that is 420. And this with positive integer and negative integer we have to now multiply. So the multiplication will be with these two number only. So 3 0, 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12. So this will give us minus, because this is the positive integer and this is negative integer, so the result will be a negative integer. So this is the required answer of the given question. Let's see question number 4. What will be the sign of the product if we multiply 90 negative integers and 65 positive integers. So here they are telling that we have 90 negative integers. The solution will be like this. So we have to 90 negative integers. So 90 negative integers are there. 90 negative integers are there. Since 90 is a even number, so therefore the product of even number of negative integers, product of even number of integers, negative integers will be a positive integer, integer will be a positive integer. Again we have 9 positive integers. So what was the question? Oh sorry, here it will be 9 positive integers and 90 negative integers. So 9, and we have 9 positive integers to multiply. So since 9 is a odd number and we know odd number of positive integers will give, odd or even both will give positive integers. So we know odd or even number of positive integers multiplication, positive integers multiplication will give us a positive integer, a positive integer. So finally what we got? So finally we got negative positive integer into positive integer. So therefore the result will be of two positive integers, and positive integer will be again a positive integer. Let's see next question. What will be the sign of the product? The sign of the product if we multiply 103 negative integers and 65 positive integers. So what will be the product of the sign? What will be the sign of the product if we multiply 103 negative integers and 65 positive integers? So what we have to do, again similar way we will explain that solution will be like this. Solution: product of 103 negative integers product of 103 negative integers and 65 positive integers equal to integer number, that will be product of two integer will be again a integer, but what will be the sign here? What will be the sign? The sign will be, so sign will be this product of, so first we will see product of 103 negative integers. So we can write product of 103 negative integers into product of 65 positive integers. So product of 103 negative integers will give us again a negative integers, and product of 65 positive integer will give us positive integer, and both will finally give us negative integers. So here minus VE means negative integer. So the answer will be a negative integer. So hope students you understood this one. So this way you have to solve other questions also. So thank you, have a nice day.